Hi, we're Jeremiah and Catie Behling. We've been at the school for 6 years, since the second year of the Augustine Academy. We have 4 children, a toddler, a kindergartner, second grader, and a 5th grader, and it's a joy to be part of the organization.
One of the things that we love about the Augustine Academy is its hybrid model. So our children are at school 3 days a week, and they're home with us 2 days a week, where we do homeschool lessons that are part of what they're doing at school. The teachers provide lesson plans for us for Wednesdays and Fridays, and it's very plug and play for me. I, on Tuesday nights, can print out our lessons for the week, and I am ready to go Wednesday morning for all 3 of our students. A lot of the subjects overlap, so my students in kindergarten through 5th grade are working on the same picture study, they're working on the same Bible lessons, they're doing the same composer study, the same read aloud. So just like in homeschooling, many of our subjects can cross multiple grades. Also, like homeschooling, I have the opportunity to be home with my kids, to be part of their education, to watch them learn from each other and learn with each other. I see them challenge each other and support each other, and I get to be part of it with them.
When I think about the community at TA, I think about now over 50 families attending nearly 40 different churches who all have the same alignment in terms of the essentials of the Christian faith, that all are fully aware of TA's robust statement of faith and that kind of diversity of thought and Christian practice coming together with the together goal of seeing our children and families formed into and enjoying Christ.
If you're looking for a school that will support you in your faith and in your education journey, this is a place for you.